On a quiet beach, where the waves whispered softly, lived a tiny blue bird with a heart full of warmth. Among the waves, something unusual appeared, a shell that softly hummed.
The little bird knew exactly who to call, a clever and loyal friend.
The shell whispered gently, like it had a story to tell. The whispers guided them, leading to a hidden path along the shore. They discovered a secret cove where every shell held a gentle whisper. These whispers were not random. They were lost voices of the sea, waiting to be heard. With a gentle song, the tiny bird gave the ocean its voice back.
The whispers faded, replaced by a peaceful silence, full of gratitude.